This video looks at editing the piping parameters. Now, you may want to actually select and change the entry point information, the pipe material type in the pipe selection rule. To do that, what you can actually do is double click on the entry point to the system, go into the piping tab, and currently we're looking at copper. If I then decide to switch to a different selection rule, so let's say we decide for this purpose to change to schedule 40 screwed steel, I can change that and select OK. So all my sizes will now be in imperial. When I select OK, this tells me that the heating selection criteria changed. That means the prefix sizes will no longer be valid. So I say, yes, I'm going to change those prefix sizes. And then when I display calculate, you can see now these have changed. That's now a 1-inch pipe as opposed to a 28mm copper pipe. So it's very easy to change the pipe parameters by double clicking on the entry point and visiting the selection criteria. So this means you can also go back out to the pipe database, create a brand new piping selection criteria, come back into here and then select it and start using it. So it's not the end of the world if you've done a system, you've selected the wrong material, or the design parameters have changed after you've routed it. You can still come in, make those changes very quickly, as demonstrated. And of course, then you would run the calculation and perhaps look at the resistance of the pipe runs, and you may need to resize your pump on a borderline case.